So I realized that Messenger was one of those opportunities when immediately when I saw it, I recognized it as an opportunity, and I wanted to actually do something to be able to capitalize on it before it got too late.
Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up.
So I realized that Messenger was one of those opportunities when immediately when I saw it, I recognized it as an opportunity, and I wanted to actually do something to be able to capitalize on it before it got too late. There's one marketer that most of you guys know that I've obviously followed his content. I met him personally, somebody that I really admire, Mr. 𝗟𝗢𝗟𝗡. He has a saying that goes like this: marketers ruin everything. And it's true, because when an opportunity is new, marketers pick it up and then they actually exploit it to the point that all marketers are in there, and now it becomes too expensive, too late, crowded, it's messed up. So messenger marketing still today seems to be that opportunity, which is still quite virgin, that people don't understand how to take advantage of it, how to get business from it, and how to be able to build a real community and grow your brand's assets. That's what it's all about. Any business, no matter what you are, whether you have an e-commerce business, you have a lead generation service that you need to generate leads. If you have a brick and mortar, no matter what your business is, you all need assets. If you don't have anything to sell to anybody, then you don't have a business. If you have products or services to sell, but then you don't have anybody to sell them to, then you also don't have a business. That's why the numbers don't lie. 95% of businesses don't last past 5 years. That's because they don't figure out that equation of being able to get enough attention to grow their business. And that's my obsession. My obsession is to help you and anybody that's interested understand these platforms so they don't let them escape. And a few years on the line, they have to close down their business because they are not able to generate enough attention to be able to sell products and services. And that's what it's all about. So I've been able to master this particular platform, which is Messenger. Now, if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about still, it tells you how big the opportunity is, because you guys all know what Facebook is now. A lot of you guys already know what Facebook advertising is. You already know what Instagram advertising is. You know what a YouTube channel represents and the power of it. You guys understand all of that. But several years ago, you really didn't understand any of that stuff. So it's a little bit later in the game for these platforms. Messenger marketing still, when you talk about that with people, they look at you like if you're an alien. What are you talking about messenger marketing? I know what email marketing is. I don't know what Messenger. I communicate with Messenger all the time with my friends, with my family, with my kids, but what are you talking about messenger marketing? Well, there is a platform that you guys all know called Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger is a platform that allows businesses to create subscribers, generate attention, just like email follow-ups, email leads, just like followers on social media. You can get followers on Messenger. You can get actual identities that you can communicate to inside the Messenger channel and send out broadcasts to people. Let's say, for example, that you have, you do a strategy to generate messages on your Facebook page. Those people are coming into the Facebook page Messenger channel. So for example, I have Manuel Suarez Facebook page, not a profile, the page. In it, I run advertising. When somebody sends me a message, they are a Messenger subscriber. They're not an email, they're not a phone number, they're a Messenger subscriber.